Hello and welcome back to Chasing Trophies. What a crazy time in English cricket, man. These parties don't stop. This night life doesn't stop. The late night clubbing doesn't stop. And the controversies don't stop either. The latest is coming out of the latest thing coming out of the England camp is that Bryden Cars has been arrested by the police, and the ECB are now investigating what the exact situation is. He was seen handcuffed. There was a few videos going viral that he was handcuffed outside one of the nightclubs, and yeah, they I think they are investigating what's happening. The police is investigating as well. We don't know exactly क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ. वो actually England के 11 में नहीं था पाकिस्तान के टेस्ट मैच में. He was in the squad, but because of that he went and played county cricket for Durham. और वो मैच के बाद उसने अपने दोस्तों के साथ जाके पार्टी करे. I think there were some teammates there as well, and in that party, whether there was a scuffle or a fight, we don't know, but he ended up in that night in handcuffs, and the police were surrounding. There was like 5-6 cops. There were cars as well over there. पुलिस के गाड़ियां भी थे, एंड काफी टेंशन राइज हो रहा था वहां पे. एंड दिस इज फॉलोइंग व्हाट हैपेंड विद बेन स्टोक्स, द इंग्लिश कैप्टन. He retired from test cricket and from international cricket because of the situation which happened in the start of the summer, जहां पे न्यूजीलैंड के मैच के बाद he went for a pint and he got into a scuffle over there, and after that things, one thing led to another, and he eventually retired from cricket. Before that, अगर आपको याद है, एशेस के बाद खबर निकली थी, हैरी ब्रूक जो थे न्यूजीलैंड के जो व्हाइट बॉल कप्तान थे, वो न्यूजीलैंड में जब सीरीज खेल रहे थे उसके बाद उनका कोई इशू हुआ था also in the nightclub in New Zealand over there, and after that they sanctioned him as well. वो मगर बाद में निकल के आया. The Ben Stokes and Bryden Cars थोड़ा सा जल्दी निकल के आया news, and I don't know what England cricket is doing, what the cricketers are doing. Obviously, the cricketers have their own private life, they can do what they want, but right now it's going a bit out of hand. Curfew भी निकाल दिए थे. There was a curfew, both तो निकल गया, and he was playing to domestic cricket, he wasn't playing in the international test match. But they're just not being careful enough. We saw even in the Ashes Ben Duckett का situation होता, नूसा में वहां पे वीडियोस भी निकल गए थे. तो काफी चीजें out of control हो जा रही. They're not being able to control, and they're getting into the controversies. अब देखो सोशल मीडिया का जमाना है, कोई ना कोई क्लिक कर देगा. I'm sure in the past cricketers used to do more things or different things, and they never got caught with it, or they got caught but there was no evidence. But here with the phone cameras and Instagram, Twitter and everything, up to 2 seconds में चीजें छप जाते हैं. So the cricketers need to be careful. It doesn't mean they can't have a good time, they can't go out. वो जो अपने मर्जी पे, जो अपने टाइम पे जो मर्जी करो, but थोड़ा सा देख के करना पड़ेगा, because at the end of the day they are public figures, and you don't want to give the younger generation and the audience, even the media, any kind of situation where they have to look at you in this way. Again, we don't know the full side of the story. We always the दो-sided, double-sided story होता है. We don't even know exactly उसने क्या commit की, क्या नहीं की, क्या लड़ाई हुई, क्या नहीं हुआ. We don't know the exact details there. So when we find that out, we'll probably have a better understanding. But Bryden Cars, man, he's connected to the Sunrisers as well. He plays for Sunrisers Hyderabad, Sunrisers Leeds, Sunrisers Eastern Cape. तो उनको भी इफेक्ट हो जाता फ्रेंचाइज को कहीं ना कहीं, राइट? आप जितना भी बोले कि this is nothing to do with Sunrisers, obviously it's not, but at the same time he is associated with that team. It might affect his contract with them, right, आगे जाके. And he's a very talented player. वो bowling बहुत जबरदस्त करता है. His pace variation is outstanding. He did really well in the 100. England के लिए भी उसको चांस नहीं मिला ये टेस्ट मैच में, but I thought if he played he would have done really well. अच्छा पेस है उसके पास, and batting bhi kar leta. He's no mug with the bat as well. So a talented player like that, you don't want them to be in these situations regularly. And in precisely with English cricket, it's happening a lot right now. Like in the last 6 months, from the winter on to the summer, kuch na kuch khabar nikal ke aa raha hai. And now whenever they go on tours, this is going to be the infamous thing. अब आगे जाके साउथ अफ्रीका का भी टूर है उनका शायद विंटर में. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट ईयर वर्ल्ड कप भी आ रहा है साउथ अफ्रीका में. बीच में एशेज हो रहा है इंग्लैंड में आपको मालूम है उन लोग समर में जाते हैं, पार्टी ये वो करते हैं. So they have to be a bit careful, I think, the way they approach things. I don't know how the ECB is going to handle it. It's very difficult for them to cover because video aa gayi thi. I don't think ECB would have come out with the statement if the video didn't come, or the thing didn't get circulated. Maybe दबा देते थे उन लोग, जैसा हैरी ब्रूक का था. मगर वो न्यूजीलैंड में था, वहां पे शायद उतना इशू नहीं था. यहाँ पे इंग्लैंड में तो यार लोग आसपास लोग हैं, वो डाल दिए एकदम से इंटरनेट पे. They know who Bryden Cars is, identify करते ये बंदा, he got into some issue, and if there's so many cops surrounding you and you're handcuffed, obviously obviously people are going to look, and then if they recognize you, then obviously they're going to take a video of you and say ki bhai iske sath ye ho gaya. So it's unfortunate what is coming out of the England camp, but let's see what happens. England also have a test series happening right now. I don't think Brydon Cars will be part of the squad anymore. वो स्क्वाड के पार्ट है, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि वो कंटिन्यू करेगा. वैसे भी जब उन लोग 11 में नहीं खेलते, they're allowed to go play domestic cricket, but you never know. Lords पे टेस्ट मैच था, he could have had a shout. They might have wanted to rested one of the bowlers. Gus Atkinson wasn't looking too crazy, so maybe Brydon Cars could have come in place of him, but now मुझे नहीं लगता कि उसकी जगह बनेगी इस टीम में, especially ये हादसा के बाद. Obviously, with time things heal and things will change. You can't just ban him like that, like forever or anything. उसको जो भी सजा मिलेगी वो उसके बाद उसको आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. मगर ECB और इंग्लैंड क्रिकेट को पूरा bigger picture देखना पड़ेगा. It's not about Brydon Cars anymore. It's not just about one specific player. There is a culture over here. There is a problem of you could call it drinking problem or partying issue or whatever it is. It is becoming excessive and they're getting into trouble. That is the main problem. आप अपने कमरे में या बाहर भी जाते हैं, जो मर्जी करना है करो, लेकिन अगर आप if you're getting into trouble, if you're getting into situations where the cops are coming in, or there's lawsuits, or these kind of things that are happening, it becomes very difficult for the ECB to control things. And at the end of the day, these guys are international cricketers. They are role models, and they will have to take responsibility somewhere or the other. And that is where ECB need to find. बच्चे भी नहीं है ना, आप ये भी नहीं बोल सकते भाई बैठ जाओ 8 बजे रात में, आप कहीं नहीं जा सकते. जब आप ऐसी चीजें करते तो और मन करता बाहर जाने का, बाहर चीजें करने का. We've all been there, done that, in terms of going out at night, this and that. But you never want to, even if you're not doing anything, you never want to go overboard. You don't want to go into a situation where you get into trouble, and that is what is happening consistently with English cricketers. भाई आपका कप्तान के साथ ऐसा हो गया तो फिर भाई ये players तो अभी भी young है, उन लोग तो और वो वैसा करेंगे. But I'm surprised that after the Ben Stokes situation, things didn't calm down a bit. I know that when you go out and these things can happen, but the fact that it's happening so regularly and they're getting into trouble for this, it's kind of getting out of hand, and the ECB will need to take some strict action, I feel. I don't know how they're going to handle it, to be honest. अब इतना भी strict हो गया तो और परेशानी हो जाएंगी ना. So it's going to be interesting. But right now, this is the situation that Brydon Cars has been arrested. Obviously, the ECB is going to be investigating exactly what the problem was, क्या tension था, क्या exactly reasoning है उसका handcuff का, क्यों उसने नाइट क्लब में क्या करा, क्यों करा, ये सब उनको स्टेटमेंट लेना पड़ेगा एंड उस हिसाब से देखना पड़ेगा. एंड आल्सो ऑब्वियसली द कॉप्स आर इन्वॉल्वड एज वेल, तो उन लोग को भी स्टेटमेंट देना पड़ेगा ब्राइडन कार्स को, एंड दे विल हैव टू सॉल्व दैट सिचुएशन फर्स्ट. दे फर्स्ट नीड टू get him out of the situation and obviously then deal with him separately and see what the situation is. But like I said, there's 2 test matches left in this English summer. The summer is not over yet. There is Lords and there is Birmingham against Pakistan, and I don't know if he's going to play a further part. And to be very honest with you, Brydon Cars is England's all format player. He can play any format right now, and I thought they're going to take him for the I think they will still take him for the World Cup 250 overs. He's very handy with the bat, like I said. तो यही देखना पड़ेगा कि ये सिचुएशन कैसा हैंडल करेंगे और आगे जाके कैसा सॉर्ट करेंगे ये इश्यूज, बिकॉज ये बढ़ते जा रहा है इंग्लिश क्रिकेट में. लेट मी नो व्हाट योर थॉट्स आर. हिट द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब बटन, एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड टू चेसिंग ट्रॉफीज. थैंक यू.